Good afternoon. As you can see, this is my neighbor's umbrella tree. And there's that bird. It is a lorikeet. The flower of this tree is so sweet. That's why lorikeets just roam around, trying to sip the nectar of that flower. Ayan po ang lorikeet. So, ayun siya. Lorikeet is like parrot, so noisy. Kaya kapag ako from night shift, nandito lang malapit sa bedroom ko, ayan po. Ang ingay nila, pero I get used to it nowadays because I've been here for nearly 17 years. Wow, nowadays. So, time check, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. Ang lola nyo ay late shift dapat. I went to work, first day of work, back from my night shift, but I left the house early so I can catch the bus and the train. And unluckily, there was no train, neither a bus. So nothing could take me to the hospital. So I called my manager that I cannot come to work. Kasi to take an Uber or a Grab back home, it will cost me nearly $100. Kasi nga po, as you have watched in the news, nagkaroon po ng 4 days of continuous rain dito sa Queensland. Roads are greatly affected, cables and traffic lights, kaya maski ang trail or train track roads, ayan ang libon, naapektuhan din po. I don't know if tomorrow it will be back to normal kasi 2 days na po from March 1, today is 2nd, wala po talagang transport kasi inaayos talaga nila ang mga road. Hopefully tomorrow there will be some good news. Yan po. Dito lang po ako nakatayo sa aking garden. Ayan. Naabangan ko po yung mga lorikeets. Ayan po yung parang mga antenna-like are the flower of the umbrella tree. They call this umbrella tree kasi lumalaki po ng lumalaki yan. So, maganda naman po mahangin pag nandito ka sa labas because of the trees, leaves of the trees. Ayan siya. Nasa na kanina po ang dami-daming mga lorikeets. Ayan ang ingay nila. Yan sila. Ito po ang aking kapitbahay, which is very, yan po ang umbrella tree. Oh, kung makikita nyo, ayan ang umbrella tree. Malaking tree. It's called an umbrella tree kasi talagang mag-aano siya. Mako-cover niya. It's a really good shade. Pero, yun nga, dahil nagpa-flower siya with a sweet nectar, kaya dapuan po siya ng ibon. Yan po. Ay, nako, marami pa rin dapat diligin. I'm just waiting for this type of orchids. Ayan na, lumalabas na ang mga flowerets niya. Purple color. Yan siya, oh. Purple po yan. Tataas siya. And then, pakikita ko po pag ano na po, yan. Talagang nag-full bloom na ang kanyang flower. This one is like sound para pati mga palaka, pati mga rats aalis. Kaya lang wala siyang sound ngayon. I need to change the battery. Nagsisignal po yan pag someone is passing, run by solar. Ayan siya. I have 2 of this one. I put one at the back para walang papasok na mga tadpole o kaya rats. Kasi magsa-sound po siya. Ayun ko po, this audible po yan sa mga ng rats. Yan. Ano kayo, mga lorikeets? Umalis na kayo? Yeah, umalis na ba kayo? Napagod na kayong magsipsip? There's a plane there. You can see there's a plane. Ewan ko kung saan siya pupunta. Kasi papunta nga po doon ng airport. Yan. Yan siya. Sana kayo, lorikeets. Ang aking, eto, talagang alagang-alaga ko. Ang aking alocasia. Binunot ko na po lahat ito. May natira pang pa isa-isa. Siguro yung buds. Kaya sana dumami ka. Alocasia. This originated from Philippines. Pag lumaki po siya at naging mature, ito po ang magiging leaves niya. Akala ko noon, mahal po ito pag binibili mo sa garden center. Yan siya. O, alisin natin itong part ng jade plant na to para makaanuhan siya ng hangin. Yan. Kasi naaanuhan siya. Yan. Variegated. Yan po. Sabi nila, lucky daw itong plant na to, lalo na pag nag-flower. Yan po ang muna. At least you saw the lorikeets in my neighbor's umbrella tree. Yan. Mataas po yan. Tumataas ng tumataas. Ito naman po yung aking stick tree. Diba? Stick tree. Gandang tingnan. Binigay lang sa akin. So, I need to cut that one kasi lumalaki na. Nagpa-flower din po siya at the top. Ayun o. White po ang flower niyan. Ayun na naman. Bumalik na naman yung lorikeets. So, lorikeets. Okay then. Enjoy the day. And please do stay safe. Okay. Hello, hello. I'm your new friend, Mamita, from Australia. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. And would you mind giving some of your comments so I can improve better my vlogging style? I'm new to this vlogging thing, so hopefully mag-improve ako as the days goes by. Ayan ang loriket. Ayun siya, oh. Come on, lorikeets, where are you? Ayun, oh, yung maliit na yan. Bye for now. Stay safe. Daming ano. Oh, sundan natin ang mga yon. Okay.